Hello everybody. The title of my presentation is Species Specific Variation in the Head and Thoracic Appendages of Poropsera tuberculata, Homoptera psallidi and Poropsera depressa, Hemiptera triosidi. The psallids are small homopterous insects and are easily distinguished from the two plant lice or aphids by the 10 segmented antennae, more sclerotized exoskeleton, stouter legs, and more complex and variable wing venation. No major work has been undertaken on this group of insect and in India except for the description of the galls by Manning. The psallid Poropsera tuberculata, which is commonly known as jumping lice, is a gall producing insect on the Alstonia scholaris, and whereas the depressa induces galls on the Ficus glomerata. For the collection of the specimens, the infested leaves were collected. The infested twigs were collected from the nearby Nagpur area and covered with a poly bag so that the emerging psallids were collected. The specimens were further boiled in 10% of QH for 5 minutes, and the male and female were kept separately and dehydrated in the alcohol grades, stained in the eosine, cleared by xylene, and later mounted in the DPX. The mounted slides were further photographed by under the Carl Zeiss STEMI DV4 microscope with the help of the Canon IX-US 310 HS camera. An electron microscopy scanning was done under Jewel GSM 6380A scanning electron microscope. Under observation, it was found that the width of the head with eyes is 0.68 mm in tuberculata species, whereas it is 0.82 mm in depressa species. So there is variation in the head region. Again, the vertex of the depressa species is broader as compared to the vertex of the tuberculata species. Regarding antennae, the antenna is similar type, that is imbricate and 10 segmented, but the difference is that the terminal setae, which is present on 10th segment of the tuberculata, it is arised in the 9th segment in depressa species. Regarding legs, the size of the legs, that is foreleg, mid-leg and hind leg, in depressa it is larger as compared to the tuberculata species. But the major difference is that the femur in the hind leg of the tuberculata species is constricted in the middle area, whereas in depressa species there is no constriction. Again, one difference is that in femora region, it means in this region, the 3 circular sensilla like structure are present. You can see it very well here, 1 2 3, which is demarcated by the arrows, and it is very clear in this scanning electron microscope image. These sensilla are not present in the femur region of the tuberculata species. Regarding wings, the forewing and hind wings are larger in depressa species, and the shape of the forewing and hind wing are little bit different in both the species. You can see it very clearly. Again, the setae which are present in the on the four wings, the number of the setae vary depending upon the species. So thus the present study confirms that the morphology of the head and thoracic appendages in is species specific in psallid and can be used for taxonomic identification at species level in this group. Thank you.